Hello, my fourth graders. Today we are going to start our Big Ideas Math Lesson 2.1. Please make sure that your page is on 33. And today's learning target is to use rounding to estimate sums and differences. Estimate to find each sum by rounding to the nearest thousand, hundred, or 10. Explain why you choose to round to that place value. This is a problem. A football team had 917 spectators at their first game and 872 at their second game. About how many spectators did the team have at both games? Both, we can find out what? We need to find the sum. So, since they're asking us to estimate, we don't have to find the exact sum. So I'm going to round this number to the nearest 100. So I'm going to put target mark on the hundredths place and the number right next to it, that's gonna be our matter number. And number 1, look at this, 917, 1 is what? Rounding down number, so I'm going to round down to 900. And 872, 7 is what? Greater than 5, which means, yes, round up number. So I'm going to add 1 to the target number and it becomes what? 900. When you add 900 plus 900, it becomes what? 1,800. And next problem, a company budgets 1,800 for a company picnic. They spend 917 on the location and 872 on food. Did they stay within their budget? Since they are asking us if we are staying in our budget, so we have to find what? The precise number. So let's find out the sum. 7 plus 2, yes, 9. 1 plus 7, 8, correct. 8 plus 9, yes, 17. So, did they stay within their budget, which is 1,800? Yes, since this 1,789 is less than 1,800, the answer is yes. They stay within their budget. So now, explain why you may choose to round to different place values in different situations. Let's make it simple. It depends on how exact or precise number you need. All right, let's move on. Please turn your page to 34. An estimate is a number that is close to an exact number, but it's not an exact number. Please make sure. And you can use rounding to estimate sums and differences. Now, example, estimate 8,675 plus 3,214. We are going to use two different ways. See, and in your left side, round each add-in to the nearest 100. So our target number will be what? Yes, 600 and 200. So you need to check what? The number right next to it. So I'm going to use this 8,675. 7 is what? Rounding up number. So I'm going to write 8,700. And this 1 is rounding down number. So I'm going to stay as is. Oh, sorry. Yes. So 3,200. Now you need to find the sum. 0, 0, 7 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 8, 11. You got it? So 8,675 plus 3,214 is about 11,900. Let's take a look at this another way. Round each add-in to the nearest thousand. Then find the sum. Let's put the target mark on top of thousands place. And then circle the number right next to it. Since 6 is what? Rounding up number, we need to round down. Round up, I'm sorry. Yes, 9,000 and 3,200. Since 2 is what? Round down number. So we are going to keep the target number as is and switch everything else 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 9 plus 3 is what? 12. So 8,675 plus 3,214 is about 12,000. Next example. Estimate 827,615 minus 54,306. Round each number to the nearest thousand. Then find the difference. So 1,000, 7 is thousands place and 4 is in thousands place. And I'm going to circle this number. I'm going to move it a little bit quickly. So this is going to be what? 6 is rounding up number, 828,000. And 3 is round down number. So I'm going to keep as is, 54,000. Now you need to subtract. 8 take away 4 is 4. You cannot take away 5 from 2, so you are going to borrow it, and it becomes 12. So 12 take away 5 is what? 7, and you need to bring this 7 down. So the answer is what? 774,000. Let's do the another way. Round each number to the nearest 10,000. Then find the difference. 10,000's place and the meta number right next to it. Yes. Now this is since what? This is rounding up number. So I'm going to write. Then 4 is rounding down number, so I'm going to keep as is. Now I'm going to put this 0. Since you can take away 5 from 3, you need to borrow it, right? So it becomes 13. So 13 take away 5 is what? 8. And bring this 7 down. So the answer is what? 780,000. Okay. For number 1 through next page, 1 through 14, I want you to pause and do it yourself and check your answer with me. All right? So I'm going to just solve the problem. But if you need any help, please raise your hand so that I can be there and I can help you. Or put star mark on it if I'm helping someone else. Thank you. Estimate the sum or difference. You can round the number to the 1,000 or 100 or even 10,000. Okay, it depends on you. Which one do you prefer? So this is just an example. Please make sure you pause the video and then you have to solve the problem by yourself and just check your answer. This was my mistake. Please make sure this is 900,000. Sorry about it. For this number 11 and 12, I want you to line them up. I'm going to move this number to under here. All right, number 13 and 14 is 20,549 plus 9,562 greater than or less than 30,000. Explain how you know without finding the exact sum. So now we shouldn't find the exact sum, which means we cannot add all together. But we can estimate the sum by rounding to the nearest hundred. Then you will get an answer greater than 30,000. So I'm going to show you. So I said we are going to round to the nearest hundred to make more precise number. So target number is, as I put it already, and the matter number, I just circled it. So 20,500 plus 9,600. 5 plus 6 is 11, carry 1 up. 1 plus 9 is 0, carry 1 up, and 30,100. See, so the answer is greater than. Now describe a real-life situation in which estimation would not be appropriate to use. The exact change to give a customer. All right, turn your page to 36. Think and grow, modeling real life. About how many more pounds does the whale shark weigh than the orca? Now round the weight of each animal to the nearest thousand. Thousand, because you do not need a precise answer. Now orca and whale shark. So when we round this number to the nearest thousand, orca is what? 8,000, and whale shark is what? 40,000. Please make sure line them up. Okay, depends on the place value. So the whale shark weighs about what? 32,000 more pounds than the orca. Now show and grow. I want you to pause again and find a solution and do it, and then you can check your answer with me after. Now number 15. About how many more votes did candidate A receive than candidate B? Since they were asking about how many, about means what? It doesn't have to be a precise number or exact number. So I'm going to ask you to round the number to the nearest 10,000. And these are going to be our meta numbers. When you take it away, fifteen take away 8, 70 here, and then 1. So 170,000. I'm going to write about 170,000 votes. All right, number 16. Mount St. Helens is a volcano that is 8,363 feet tall. Mount Fuji is a volcano that is 4,025 feet taller than Mount St. Helens. About, which means what? We don't have to find the precise number. How tall is Mount Fuji? Now I'm going to estimate this using rounding to the target of nearest 1,000. And these are matter numbers. 8,000 plus 4,000 to know how tall Mount Fuji is. So the answer is what? About 12,000 feet. An educational video has 6,129 fewer views than a gaming video. That means what? Gaming video has more views than this educational video. The educational video has 483,056 views. Again, we can estimate. How many views does the gaming video have? Now we are going to find out. Okay, so when you add this number and this estimate number, when you add them together, you are going to find what? How many views does the gaming video have? So I'm going to round this number to the nearest 1,000. Nine. So you can say what? About 489,000 views. All right. This is it for today. And next 2 pages, please do it at home. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.